Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DIY Top 1 channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how extremely efficient and fast knife sharpening. Look to the end to discover this secret. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. Great to see the support of yours. After punching the hole, bottom of the empty water can, let's pierce the nail through the hole. Let's prepare the P400 sandpaper. Like in the video I'm doing. Now, let's get another P800 sandpaper. Let's use 502 glue and fix it. Sandpaper and water cans. Let's fix a head. And the other end is a P400 sandpaper. Now, let's fix the part. Insert the nail from the bottom of the soda can into the drill bit. Now take the blunt knife you want to sharpen. This is the knife before grinding. Cutting paper is difficult. Now, let's start grinding some sandpaper, water, and use a brush. Put some toothpaste on the sandpaper. Now, let's put the blade at about 15 to 20 degrees. This is the ideal angle for maximum sharpness. Soft core. The knife on the surface. Move from the base of the knife to the tip of the knife. Repeat several times for best effect. Continue the same with the other side. You keep grinding those two sides. In about 1 to 2 minutes. Add water if the surface is dry. Let's clean the knife now. Put some clean water and wipe the blade with a soft towel. You can see it. Our blades have cut the paper so easily. Now, let's go to the foam box and the fruits. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, press like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the interesting tips from my channel, and share the video to your friends. I wish you success.